welcome back to QRepubliC. Today is June 30th, 2021, Wednesday. Our news highlights for today: US stock futures are little change as the market closes out a winning first half. US stock futures were little change on Tuesday night as the market gets set to close out a winning first half of 2021 and second quarter. All are up. Investors have shrugged off high inflation readings and have kept buying stocks on the hopes an economic comeback from the pandemic would continue. Good first halves usually bode well for the rest of the year. Stocks likely won't see big movement until Friday's job report gives a better idea of the state of the economy. Economists expect 683,000 jobs were added in June according to Dow Jones survey. In other news, PSEI recovers on late buying. The stock index yesterday recovered its losses the previous day as late buying pushed the market into the green at the close. Many are speculating whether there will be a spike in Delta strain cases and on expectations of an early interest rate hike by the US Fed. The local market traded flat for most of the session as investors digested the quarantine classifications for July GCQ with some restrictions. It was a no-action trading session for blue chips yesterday. The government basically maintained current mobility restrictions for another month, which was no surprise and drew no reaction from investors. Most Asian stock markets ended with some losses on concerns of potential COVID-19 outbreaks because of the new Delta strain, according to AAA equities. For our PSEI today, we close at 6,901.91 and makita natin na hirap ang market i-maintain ang ating momentum as we failed to maintain our opening price and even our closing price yesterday. So malakas po ang ating selling pressure sa ngayon. If maglalagay po tayo ng ating trend line from our high last June 16 to our high today, makita po natin na we are forming a lower high and na-break down pa po natin ang ating moving average 9 today. So as early as now, we can speculate that we are now heading down to our next support around 6,764.22 area, and unfortunately hindi muna natin mariretest ang 7,000 level. Sa ngayon po, be on the side muna. More on test buy muna ang pwede natin gawin in case na talagang kailangan nating bumili. Halimbawa, nasa trading plan na natin and we have to be bearish muna as of the moment as the market is going down to 6,700 area. Ilang factors that we can consider as of the moment are COVID-19 situation pa rin natin, and then no changes sa ating restrictions, particularly in NCR, Delta variant na kumakalat across the world, and pati na rin po yung inflation concern. So take an extra caution in buying of shares as of the moment, and patuloy po natin babantayan yung ating situation in case man may mga bagong news tayong ma-observe. So ang mga stocks na i-discuss naman po natin for today, these are GMA7, AC Energy, Apollo Global, Abacor, Basic Energy Corporation, Certec, Ayala Land, Globe Telecom, Converge, MPI, and DDMPR. Sa mga bago pong nanonood ng video na ito, I'm inviting you to please subscribe on this channel para maging updated po kayo sa mga bagong videos na nilalabas po natin, particularly sa mga news at insights na binibigay po natin sa ating mga stocks. Like and share this video as well para makapagbigay insights din po tayo sa iba. And also, before we proceed, I would just like to say thank you and acknowledge the following people. Hello, Ruel Taneo from Riyadh, Saudi. Salamat po sa oras, sir. More blessings to come and have a nice day. Thank you, Irene Suzuki from Japan. Thank you, Johan Barrios. Welcome po sa ating comment section and have a nice day. Go, 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 healthy life from Thailand. Hello, Edna Aquino. Thank you po. Keep safe and God bless. Thank you, Ayan from France. Thank you, Eller Fontamillas from Bologna, Italy. Maribel Igne, Ed Miguel, Thank you, Mark Guardian. Welcome po sa ating comment section and have a nice day. And hello, Hilroy. Maraming salamat po sa suporta. I-echo ko lang po yung comment natin, sir. For all the viewers po, it would be a big help sa ating channel to always like our video and watch our ads. Maraming salamat po, sir. And ingat po dyan sa Doha, Qatar. At ganun din po sa lahat po ng ating mga viewers for today. Maraming salamat po sa inyong oras. Keep safe po palagi and have a nice day. GMA closed today at 14.44. Meron po tayong pag-pullback after natin i-touch yung almost 15 area. Hindi maganda yung candlestick na nakikita natin kasi may selling pressure tayong nakikita sa current range natin dahil after natin gumawa ng ating higher high intraday, bumagsak po ang ating price lower pa sa ating opening price today. So more likely gayahin natin yung pattern natin last June 16 na mawawalan tayo ng momentum at bababa tayo sa ating moving average 9. On this instance, dito sa may 13.79 area yung unang low na nakikita natin. Pero hindi pa siya confirmed na good entry price or for sure sa accumulation area kasi we have to see good signs muna na pwedeng maging strong support itong si 13.79 like high volume, creating higher low or higher high, green candlesticks and such. So sa ngayon po, be on the side muna especially if wala ka pa namang hawak na shares dito kay GMA. Pero sa may mga hawak po na shares, brace ourselves lang sa possible na low until 12.79 area should we lost our momentum. So check niyo po maigi magiging options natin for GMA 7. ACEN closed today at 8.25 at patuloy po ang ating correction sa kanya as of the moment. May kita po natin na matindi pa rin ang ating selling pressure as we failed to trade above moving average 9 and we failed to maintain the high that we created today and we even went down from our opening price today. The least that we can expect for ACEN sa ngayon is to maintain our strong support at around 8.06 area. Kasi ngayon na lang po ulit tayo nakatungtong dyan since na-breakdown natin siya last January 6 dito sa may higher edge ng binabantayan nating uptrend channel. And speaking of our uptrend channel, in case man na i-breakdown natin ang ating 8.06 area going into the 7.80 area, we will still maintain our uptrend channel. So in case man meron pa rin po tayong momentum na nakikita in the big picture. And dito rin sa channel natin, nakikita na malakas ang ating resistance dito sa ating midline. So check nyo po maigi magiging options natin for ACEN. Global closed at 0.18, may sideways movement pa rin po tayong ino-observe and at the same time resistance dito sa ating moving average 9 na nasa around 0.1820 area sa ngayon. Meron tayong immediate support at 0.1780 area na siya ding ating naging low today. However, we cannot confirm yet if this will be strong enough para maging entry point or shares accumulation stage, and we can still treat this area as a test buy area muna as of the moment. Meron pa tayong next support na tinitingnan, itong around 0.1746 area na siyang ating naging low intraday last June 14. Ganun na rin nung June 1st and May 24th. So meron pa rin chance na magkaroon tayo ng lowest price dito sa area na to. So generally, mahina ang ating momentum, low volume tayo, and we are going to our last support area dito sa ating sideways movement. So check nyo po maigi magiging options natin for Apollo Global. Abacor closed today at 1.12. Very noticeable po itong ating malakas na volume today and yung pag-strive ng ating market na ma-maintain or mataasan yung kanyang opening price today, same as closing price natin kahapon. However, ito pong volume na ginawa natin today is medyo red flag kasi it looks like sa price action lang natin siya galing, as I don't see any news yet for Abacor. Pero kung meron po kayong information, please share it into our comment section para maging aware po tayong lahat. And also, the last time na nagkaroon tayo ng ganitong volume, it follows ng net volume na more into selling Also, makita natin yung malakas na resistance natin dito sa 1.14 area, and baka hindi pa po kaya ng market i-breakout ito as of the moment. Ma-observe din natin na nagko-correct ang ating market from its high last June 24, 25 after po niya i-reach itong higher edge ng ating uptrend channel. And sa ngayon, na breakdown na rin po natin itong ating uptrend channel na binabantayan. So if wala pa naman po tayong shares, be on the side muna. If ever, test buy muna tayo dito near our support area around 1.08, and be mindful lang na baka magkaroon tayo ng sideways movement na merong low until or up to 1 peso area. So check niyo po maigi magiging options natin for Abacor. BSE closed today at 0.80, same closing price po tayo yesterday, and pretty much same movement as of yesterday as well, except for the volume today na mas bumaba pa. For BSE, same treatment pa rin po tayo, test buy pa rin po tayo dito sa ating 0.77 area while observing kung magiging strong na po ba itong area na to. So low momentum, low volume, and pababa pa rin po ang ating mga moving averages. So wala po muna tayo may speculate na magandang move. For now, targeting a good entry po muna tayo sa kanya, and patience as we don't know yet kailan tayo magkakaroon ng magandang move kay BSC. So check niyo po maigi magiging options natin for Basic Energy Corporation. Certec closed at 6.18. We formed a somewhat indecision candlestick today, kasabay po ng ating net volume na more into selling. Same treatment pa rin po nakikita natin dito kay Certec kahit po nag-form tayo ng higher closing price today from yesterday. So makikita natin itong low natin today is still a lower low from yesterday. So dito po sa low natin, kung i-compare natin yung low natin today and yesterday, makita po natin na malakas pa rin or malakas ang ating selling pressure. So it only shows na weak po itong ating 6.16 na support as of the moment, and kagaya po ng sabi natin kahapon that we can treat this area as our new resistance, and we are now heading down into our next support around 5.80 area. So check niyo po maigi yung magiging options natin for Certec. MWIDE closed at 6.70. As per our last review, meron po tayong sideways na binabantayan, and currently nagko-correct po tayo from the last time na tinouch natin itong 7.12 area last June 16. Although meron po tayong good support at around 6.59 area, we cannot confirm yet kung strong enough na po ba ito for an entry point of shares or shares of accumulation, dahil makita po natin na meron tayong pattern na somehow sinusundan last April 16 kung saan tinouch din po natin itong ating 7.12 area and got failed and bumaba pa tayo till 6.09 area. So may good support din last time at 6.59 area. So we are looking for possibility of the same pattern for the current time. So generally, low momentum, low volume, and we may have the same pattern last April 2020. So check nyo po maigi magiging options natin for MWIDE. Ayala Land closed today at 36.05, and may sideways pa rin po tayong binabantayan sa kanya. And moreover, nagre-resist po tayo dito sa ating moving average 9. So nire-retest po natin currently itong 35.93 area na support today with a candlestick na inverted hammer or may malakas na selling pressure. And fifth session na rin natin na may net volume na more into selling. So meron tayong initial sign na possible ma-breakdown natin itong ating current support. And on this instance, we have to look forward to our next support at around 34.98 area. Though hindi pa rin confirmed yan kung strong enough na ba yan, so test buy pa rin ang pwede natin gawin dyan, as we still have downside dito sa ating sideways movement sa may bandang 34.39 area. So check niyo po maigi yung magiging options natin for Ayala Land. Globe Telecom closed at 1,840. Nasa mid-range po tayo ng ating sideways movement sa kanya as of the moment, while we are also resisting sa ating moving average 50. Medyo stable naman ang takbo natin dito kay Globe dahil na-maintain natin itong sideways movement natin, pero with the low momentum na meron tayo, hindi pa po maganda mag-entry or accumulate ng shares dito sa current support natin as our moving average 50 is going down towards dito sa ating support. So therefore, we can already speculate na itong area na to ang ating magiging bagong resistance soon. So look forward po tayo to accumulate shares sa ating next support near 1,795.19 area. So check nyo po magiging options natin for Globe Telecom. Converge close to the 23.46 and makita po natin na after nating mag-record high sa kanya last June 17th, nahihirapan po yung market bumalik sa may 23 peso area, and dito pa lang po around 22.66 area is hirap na po i-maintain ng market since ilang session na rin po tayo nandito sa 22 peso area. Having said that, we can speculate na magko-correct po ulit tayo. Mabi-breakdown po natin ulit itong moving average 9, and the least na pwede nating ibaba is up to 21.64 area. Bali dito yan sa ating next support. Good support naman yan as ito yung area kung saan break natin yung previous record high natin. So sideways po muna the least na pwede nating ma-speculate kay Converge. So check niyo po magiging options natin for Converge. MPI closed today at 3.89 and currently we are on correction phase as of the moment, and pretty much same pattern po last time when we touched this 4.07 area. So last April po yan in May 2021 month, wherein we got blocked and corrected up to 3.60 area. And dito po sa ginawa nating candlestick today, we can see na mas lumakas pa ang ating selling pressure dahil nag-create pa tayo ng ating lower low as of the moment. Fifth session na rin po natin dito sa range na to, indicating na mahina pa rin po ang ating momentum and more likely mag-breakdown tayo dito sa 3.86 area. So look forward po tayo sa ating next support at 3.77 area. Test buy pa rin po tayo dyan as we may have the same pattern last time, and baka bumaba pa tayo further at 3.64 area. So check nyo po magiging options natin for MPI. DDMPR closed today at 1.99 and hindi po nagmaterialize yung binabantayan nating second step sana ng ating Darvas box, and it looks like may malaki tayong sideways movement sa kanya. So ang range po nito is from 1.92 to 2.11 area, and we are in the correction phase and mahina po ang ating momentum as of the moment. Meron po tayong immediate support dito at 1.97 area, pero we cannot say yet if it's strong enough as may selling pressure pa rin po tayo and low volume pa rin po tayo dito kay DDMPR. Prone din po tayo sa bounce play, and ang resistance na tinitingnan natin sa possible bounce play ay dito po sa ating moving average 50. So dito po yan banda sa 2 peso area. Sa ngayon po wala muna tayong pwedeng maasahang magandang paggalaw dito kay DDMPR, and more on bearish muna yung pwede nating maging speculation sa kanya. So check nyo po magiging options natin for DDMPR.
And that's it for today. Kung nagustuhan niyo po itong video na ito, please don't forget to like it and share it as well para mapagbigay insights din po tayo sa iba. And also, kung meron po kayong additional information or thoughts dito sa review na to, comment nyo lang po yan para makatulong din po or makapagbigay information din po tayo sa iba. At sa inyo po na gustong magpa-review ng kanilang mga stocks, comment nyo lang din po yan para maisama po natin sa ating next session. And sa mga bago po nanonood ng video na ito, don't forget to subscribe para lagi po kayo maging updated sa mga bagong videos na nilalabas po natin. Maraming salamat po. I'll see you soon. QRepublic.